Hi everyone, welcome to the Sanglung Villas and Suites here in Bali, Indonesia. We are in room 13 where it's a 1-bedroom villa with its own private pool. So you can see we have our own private pool, which is amazing, and an amazing view of the sea, as well as 2 loungers so that we can lounge around by the pool. And we also have our own table right over here so that we can eat. And we actually did last night. We ate a homemade barbecue meal that they made for us when we arrived, which was delicious and very necessary after 13 plus hours of traveling here. But it was worth it. So we come in through these doors right here. There's actually 2 sliding doors, one over there and one over here. This is the main one that we've been using. And it leads you right to the bed, which is very comfortable. It has a memory pillow top on it. So we had a lot of good sleep last night after that long journey. So here's the bed. It comes with netting because, well, there is bugs here. Especially because if you look up at the great ceiling of this room, it is a natural weave. So there are holes in them basically for little bugs to get through, but we haven't had any problems at all today or last night, so let's hope it continues that way. The room also has a nice sitting area right here and a TV with a desk and a phone where you can order all the room service that you'd like, which is nice. And then if you come over here to this little nook, it has a fridge with a little mini bar. And it has just some of your pops, and there's some beers, some sparkling water, some club soda to make drinks, Oreos, and some other goodies in there, and some milk, as well as some treats that you can buy. And the kitchen also has an espresso machine and a kettle to make tea, and comes fully stocked with everything that you need to make all those delicious things, as well as it does come with some coffee, ground coffee, and some tea bags. And then, because you are in Bali, you do have to drink only bottled water. So the rooms luckily have some bottled water for you to drink for free and use. And let's get to the other fun part, the bathroom. Oh, almost forgot too, is they do put 2 nice robes for you to use here, which is definitely a plus. Okay, here's the fun part, the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom has a skylight that is completely open. So you get to take a shower out in the open, which is nice. We took one last night when it was dark, and it was just nice to see all the stars out there. It comes with a really nice bathtub as well. 2 sinks. Sorry, we have all of our sunscreens out because we've been getting ready to head to the pool. And then in here is your closet and other stuff. We'll just show that briefly because we already have our clothes in there and some stuff that's already dirty. Over here is just your regular toilet room. So nice toilet, has a bidet, which is nice. Toilet paper, and it's a nice just US European toilet, which is a plus. We keep that shut because, well, the rest of the bathroom's open, so don't want bugs everywhere. But that is a tour of our villa, our 1-bedroom villa here at Sanglung. And we are so excited to be enjoying it, especially this amazing pool all to ourselves, which is definitely the highlight of this room, is the pool. So we'll be enjoying that, as well as some drinks by the pool. So hopefully you guys enjoy the tour, and hopefully we've gotten some ideas in your head about coming here yourselves, because this is amazing. Plus the service is top notch. They've been amazing since the beginning, and everyone's super nice. Well, thank you guys for coming on this tour with us. And I hope that you like and subscribe to our channel, because we really appreciate it. Every time we get a new subscriber, we always are so happy. So please, again, subscribe. Well, see you guys later.